What is your English level? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Get ready, because I am going to test your English level. Are you ready? That's right! The correct answer is A, I am a student. The correct answer for question number 2 is B, she goes to school every day. The correct answer is A, they speak English. You are right. The correct answer is A, he has breakfast at 7 o'clock. The correct answer is B, we finished our homework yesterday. The correct answer is A, do you like pizza? Do is used for questions in the present tense. The correct answer is C, she went swimming last Sunday. You are wonderful. The correct answer is C, they are playing football now. The correct answer is B, I saw my sister yesterday. The correct answer for question number 10 is B, my brother has a car. That's right! The correct answer is C, she was reading a book when I saw her. The correct answer is B, I was cooking dinner when the phone rang. We went to the beach last weekend. Went is the past tense of go, correctly indicating an action completed in the past. The correct answer is C, they are living in New York for 5 years. The correct answer for question number 15 is A, does she speak Spanish? You are right. The correct answer is B, he forgot his keys when he left the house. The correct answer is C, they have been friends since they were kids. Wonderful. The correct answer is A, we had a lot of fun at the party last night. The correct answer is B, she finished her homework before going to bed. That's right! The correct answer for question number 20 is A, I will call you tomorrow. You are right. The correct answer is B. By the time we got to the cinema, the movie had already started. The correct answer is C. If I were you, I wouldn't do that. The correct answer is B. I wish I had more time to study. The correct answer is B. She looks as if she had seen a ghost. The correct answer is C. You should better ask him before you do it. You are right. The correct answer is A. I would go to the gym if I had more free time. The correct answer is B. They had been searching for over an hour before they found the exit. That's right! The correct answer is B. He acts as if he knew everything. Wonderful. The correct answer is B. If you had studied harder, you would have passed the exam. The correct answer for question number 30 is A. I will have finished my degree. Don't forget to let me know your level and how many correct answers you've had in the comments down below. I'll be here in the next video to help you on your way to English mastery. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious.